Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we're going to announce the winners of the watch face giveaway. But first, let's talk about D Wheels. Now, I told you in the video, hopefully you enjoyed the Fun Day Sunday watch face review as it was off the chain. I'm telling you, it was a boss watch face. And if you have not spread this around, spread it around other people so they could see this awesome watch face that D Wheels had put out. Now, D Wheels did reply back and he did say that I can't do a giveaway. Doesn't matter what country you are from, you can win this watch face. Now, I asked for 3, but I replied back and asked could I get 2 more because I really want to spread the joy just a little bit more of the work that this guy is doing, okay? So look out for that. If you haven't commented, make sure you comment, okay? Now, as to announce the winners of the watch face, we got 5 winners. You're going to get 2 watch codes apiece, all right? And with that being said, let's go ahead and announce the winners. Now, number 1 is going to be Jonathan. I think Jonathan is new to the channel. And if you are Jonathan, go ahead, make sure you subscribe if you already haven't, so you can be notified when I drop more videos on the channel. And congratulations and thank you for being a part of the family. All right. The second winner is going to be Vidya Sugar. I believe this person is a new, well, I don't know if he's a subscriber, but a new person to the channel as well. So welcome him or her as well. And you are a winner. Now, if you haven't subscribed, again, like I said to Jonathan, make sure that you subscribe so therefore you can be notified when I drop more videos on the channel. Make sure you all hit the notification bell as well. All right. Now, it'll be Jackie. Jackie, you won again. Sammy, you're also a winner. And Adrian, you're also a winner as well. Now, these watch face codes were for the U.S. Sorry about that. But we do have some more coming. As with D Wheels, I can give away watch faces no matter what the country. So no matter what country you're from, make sure that you go ahead and you comment on these videos. Cool? Now, with that being said, now, I don't have a lot of people, and I've shared this in the last video with like an update and an explanation as to why, you know, sometimes it reroutes to people who have already commented on the channel. Because I don't get that many comments, these people are going to tend to get a reround a lot quicker because I don't have a lot of people who comment on the channel. So understand that. Don't stop commenting. Please continue to comment. Kryptonia, Jackie, Sean, Adrian, OZ, just continue. There's a lot of watch faces to go around, and as more people come, listen, they're going to have the opportunity to win as well. Please continue to be you and do what you do to help the channel grow. That's all I got. That's all it is. Okay. So again, don't stop. Thank you again for participating. For those of you all who've been sharing the videos, I can see it in my analytics. Thank you all for doing that. And for those of you all who have took the opportunity to support the channel by going through my link, my Amazon affiliate link down at the bottom. If you haven't, listen, go down and check it out, as it helps me to be able to bring about product reviews as well, which is something that we're working on bringing back to the channel. And with that, that's going to be all. Just wanted to enlighten you on the announcements of the winners. So make sure you hit me in my email, which should be in the description box, and it should also be going across the screen as well. And I'll reply back. Give me some time, as to I have to work tomorrow. So that's why it takes me a little while to respond to your email. So just be patient. You got the watch face codes coming. So I enjoy you guys. I love you guys. Thank you all for commenting. Again, thank you all for being a part of the channel. And with that being said, listen, it's time to go in Sunday right. Just relax and watch a good movie. All right, you all, that's going to be it. If you like the video, please make sure you hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to my channel. And as you know, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.